Do you feel like you're getting old? Feeling old, getting to look old, regardless of your age, whether you're 30, 40, 60, 80, and you want to improve that, slow down the aging process. Well, here we are anti-aging specialists. We focus on techniques to make people be and feel younger and look younger. So that's one of our techniques, is one of the methods we use. Or one of our focuses here is anti-aging. So, and three things go along with aging. You got wrinkles, you got issues with the body, urinary and bladder issues, you got digestion, you got weight issues, you got joint pain issues, you got memory issues. All of those things, things we may be able to help you with. You do a series of screenings to see if something we can help. But if you're interested in slowing down or even reversing some of the aging process, then give us a call. The 10-minute call is free to you, just to see if we can help. And if you want to come into the office, it's just a low cost consultation fee, and we can see if we can, if you're a good fit, and see if we can help you have that vigor in your life. If you're going to live to be a long time, you might as well live well and feel your best during that time. And we all want to live long and feel our best during that time. We don't want to just live a long time. We want to live a long time and be at the max that we can be at that time, right? So that's what we try to focus on, for you to live a long time and live well during that time that you're living. So call us and we'll see if we can work something out for you. I'll put you on a strategy or program. Yes, even if you're out of the area, if you can't even come into the office, we get clients, if you're out of state or so, you just want us to work with us at a distance, we'll be happy to do that for you as well, do a virtual visits. So thank you, and look forward to talking to you.